going to Disney Springs and we're gonna spend some time together because she finally has a day off, and I'm gonna be doing a lot of filming.
Knowing I lie for you, thinking I die for you, like controller, like controller.
So it's kind of raining a little bit, not too much, but we're not gonna let that stop us, you know. Anyways, yeah, look. Yeah, we're almost there though. Starbucks and they spelled my name. Ready? Katrina. Katrina. Yeah. Thanks, Disney. Really. Thanks. No shade on Mac, but I prefer Sephora all the time. So sadly, they didn't have the product I wanted. So we're here at one of the World of Disney stores, and these prices are fucking ridiculous. I can't. Big props to those girls dancing. I want to say they tried their hardest. They're not professionals, obviously. Okay, so me and my mom did get caught in the rain, and this sucks. Okay, so we were stuck over here when it was raining, and we had to go all the way around here, and we're parked over there. We're soaked, and I just want to go home. Also, my eyelashes, they're dead. They came off because the rain was really heavy, and I'm so sad because these were my favorite lashes. Never coming back here again.